Chapter 2 Polynomials and Factorization Exercise 2.5. Given factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz using the identity. So here you have to use the identity number 8. So here first you simplify it. Given value is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. Here 27 means 27 is equal to 3 power 3. So 27 means you write down 3x power 3. Already x power 3 is there. So 3x power 3 plus y cube y power 3 plus z cube z power 3 minus 9xyz. So here you write down 3xyz. 3 into 3x. 3x means x is the 3x. So 3x, y is y only, z is z only. Now 3 3s are 9, xyz, 9xyz. So this is in the form of, here the identity number 8, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, we have the formula x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity number 8. Now you comparison this. X value is 3x, y value is y only, z is z only. So these values you substitute here. X means 3x, y means y only, z means z only. Now x square means 3x whole square plus y square z square minus xy. X is 3x into y minus yz is yz minus zx. Z into x value is 3x. Only the change is x value is 3x, remaining values are same. So in the identity, this is the RHS, this is the LHS. No problem. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS or RHS is equal to LHS. Now simplify it. 3x plus y plus z into, this is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3zx. This is the answer. Now question number 12. Verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to half into x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Here in this case you take the RHS, then you prove the LHS. So here RHS is equal to given of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So this is 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into, here a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2ab. This is the second identity. Plus this is also a minus b whole square formula, x minus y whole square formula, y square plus z square minus 2yz plus this is also similar formula, z square plus x square minus 2zx. This is equal to, here 1 by 2 x plus y plus z, here it is x square plus x square is 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square plus z square plus z square 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Here it is, all are having 2, you take common 2. 1 by 2 into 2 is common, x plus y plus z. Here remaining values are x square plus y square plus z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Here 2 get cancelled. So remaining values are x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus, 2 is common here, only xy, yz, zx. Here all 2 is common here taken. So x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is xy minus yz minus zx. This is equal to identity 8. So as for the identity 8 is x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is the identity 8. So as for this is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. This is equal to LHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Hence prove. Question number 13. Here 2 bits are there, A and B. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So in this first case, first question, x plus y by given x plus y plus z is equal to 0. X plus y plus z is equal to 0. So from the 8th identity, x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity number 8. So in this one you substitute x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So here it is, therefore x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to, this value is 0 given in the question. Okay, so this value is 0, you substitute into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to 0 into any number is 0. 0 into any value is 0. Now x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, you take right side, it is plus 3xyz. So this is the proof. Okay, this is the answer. B bit is given. Show that a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube is equal to 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. The question is given a minus b whole cube b minus c whole cube c minus a whole cube is equal to 3 into a minus b b minus c c minus a. Here I am taking, you let it, x is equal to a minus b, y is equal to b minus c, z is equal to c minus a. Then you add these three terms, x plus y plus z is equal to, x value is a minus b plus y value is b minus c plus z value is c minus a. Here plus a minus a plus c minus c plus b minus b, it is 0. So therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So from the above problem, here if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, so then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. From this problem, here if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So from this above problem, we have taken this conclusion. If x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So here x value is what? A minus b. Y value is what? B minus c. Z value is what? C minus a. Then the three values substitute here. Here it is x means a minus b whole cube, y means b minus c whole cube, z means c minus a whole cube is equal to 3 into x means a minus b, y means b minus c, z means c minus a. So this is the proof. Question number 14. Without actual calculating the cubes, find the values of each of the following. So this is very simple. With this previous problem 14th B and 14th A, sorry 13th B and 13th A, similar problem only. This is also. So first question you take. First question is given minus 10 whole cube plus 7 cube plus 3 cube. Here it is, you let it x is equal to minus 10, y is equal to 7, b, z is equal to 3. Then you add all the three values. X plus y plus z is equal to minus 10 plus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 10. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 minus 10 is 0. So therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Here we know that from the 13th question a bit, if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is the, you let it be a formula. Okay, from the 13th question a bit. So here x value means minus 10, y value means 7, z value means 3. So here these values are equal to 0, sum of these three values. Then you substitute x value, y value, z value here. So therefore x value is minus 10 whole cube plus y value is 7 whole cube, z value is 3 whole cube is equal to 3 into x value is minus 10, y value is 7, z value is 3. Now you multiply these values. 3 into minus 10 minus 30 into 7 3s are 21. Here 0 is 0, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Minus 630 is the answer. So like this, without calculating the cubes, we can calculate direct value. Now question number 2. This one, you stop the video and do yourself. Then afterwards you check the answer. Here also you let it, x is equal to 28, y is equal to minus 15, z is equal to minus 30. Now you add the three values, x plus y plus z is equal to 28 minus 15 minus 30. It is equal to 28 minus 15 minus 13 minus 28. It is equal to 0. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then we have the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. So this is our formula. So now you substitute the x value, y value, z value here. X value is 28 whole cube plus y value is minus 15 whole cube plus z value is minus 13 whole cube is equal to 3 into x value 28, y value minus 15, z value is minus 13. This is equal to 3 into 28. 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 2 the 6 plus 2 8, 84 into minus plus 15 3s are 45, 4 15 ones are 15 plus 4 195. So 195 into 84. So by multiplication we get it 16,380. This is the answer. Third bit, x is equal to 1 by 2, let it, y is equal to 1 by 3, z is equal to, here minus you take inside, this is 1, you write down 1 by 2 whole cube plus 1 by 3 whole cube plus minus 5 by 6 whole cube. So z is equal to, you take minus 5 by 6. Now x plus y plus z is equal to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 5 by 6. By adding these two, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2, minus 5 by 6. It is equal to 3 plus 2, 3 plus 2, 5 by 6 minus 5 by 6. This is equal to, this get cancel, you get the 0. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then we have the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. Okay, just simply these values substitute in this formula, you get the answer. Therefore x value is 1 by 2 whole cube plus y value is 1 by 3 whole cube plus z value is minus 5 by 6 whole cube is equal to 3 into x value is 1 by 2 into y value is 1 by 3 into minus 5 by 6. Now this value simplify to get the answer. Here is 3 get cancelled. So minus 5 ones are 5 by 6 2s are 12. Minus 5 by 12 is the answer. 4. Here this one you write down, this minus you take inside, 0.2 whole cube plus minus 0.3 whole cube plus 0.1 whole cube. Here you let it, x is equal to 0.2, y is equal to minus 0.3, z is equal to 0.1. So now add all the three, x plus y plus z is equal to 0.2 minus 0.3 plus 0.1. Here 0.1 and 0.2 add it, you get it 0.3 minus 0.3. 0.3 minus 0.3 is 0. So therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Similar formula. Therefore x plus y plus z is equal to 0. Then x cube plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3xyz. This is the formula. Then you substitute x value, y value, z value here. X value is 0.2 whole cube, y value is minus 0.3 whole cube, z value is 0.1 whole cube is equal to 3 into 0.2 into minus 0.3 into 0.1. This is 3 2s are 6, 0.6 into minus 3 1s are 3. So 3 1s are 3. Here 2 points, decimal points are there, 0.03. Now minus into plus is minus, 6 3s are 18. Here 2 decimals and here 1 decimal, total 3 decimals, 1 2 3.0, 0.018 is the answer. Here question number 15, this is very interesting question and very easy question also. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of the rectangle. Length and breadth. So here you remember that here this is the rectangle, this is the length, this is the breadth. Length into breadth. Length into breadth is called area of the rectangle. Length into breadth is called area of the rectangle. This you remember it. So when you have the two products multiplication, it will give area of the rectangle. Okay. So here given rectangle whose area is given. This is the area of the rectangle total. That is first question given. First question answer this one. Given area of rectangle is equal to 4a square plus 4a minus 3. Okay, so area of the rectangle formula, I told you length into breadth. Length into breadth is equal to, this one you factorize it, 4a square plus, how you should factorize means, here this coefficient a square coefficient and constant term you multiply it, 4 into 3, 4 into minus 3 you get it minus 12. This one you factorize it, 6 2s are. So here minus is there, you keep it minus in any place, so it is minus 2 into 6, 6 minus 2 plus 4a, so 6a minus 2a, 6a minus 2a is plus 4a minus 3. Now this is, in these two, 2a is common, here it is 2a, 2 2s are 4, a into a square, plus 2 3s are 6, a is common, here minus 1 is common, 2a plus 3, again 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 is common, so 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 common means here remaining terms are 2a, here it is minus 1. Now we got it L into b. L into b is equal to this. So length, L means length. Length of the rectangle is equal to 2a plus 3 and breadth. Breadth of the rectangle is equal to 2a minus 1. This is the answer. Given second bit, area of rectangle is equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth is equal to, this one you write down 25a square, this is minus 20a minus 15a plus 12 you write down, minus 20 minus 15 is minus 35. Here it is, in these two 5 is common, 5a, 5 5s are 25, a into a square minus 5 4s are 20, a is common, here it is 3 you take common, minus 3, 3 5s are 15, a is a only, minus into minus plus, 3 4s are 12, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4 is common, so here remaining term is 5a minus 3. So therefore length of the rectangle L is equal to 5a minus 4 and breadth of the rectangle 5a minus 3. This is the answer. So this is also a very simple question, an interesting question. Question number 16. What are the possible polynomial expressions for the dimensions of the cuboids whose values are given below? So cuboid means, here you see, so better example, duster in our classroom. Duster is a cuboid. This is the cuboid. So cuboid is having 3 dimensions. One is the length, one is the height, one is the breadth. Length, breadth, height. So volume of cuboid is equal to LBH, length into breadth into height. So this is the volume of the cuboid. Here given, first bit, given volume of cuboid is equal to 3x cube minus 12x. So from this we have to find out length, breadth and height. Okay, so this one you simplify it. In these two, 3x is common. Here volume of the cuboid formula LBH. LBH is equal to, here 3x is common, 3 common, x cube, x is common, x square minus 3 4s are 12, x is common. So this is equal to 3x into, this is x square minus 4 is write down 2 square. This is 3x into, this is x square minus y square formula. So as for identity, x square minus y square is equal to x minus y into x plus y. This is the formula. So by using this formula, this is x minus 2 into x plus 2. Now Here L is equal to 3x, length of the cuboid is 3x, breadth of the cuboid is x minus 2, and height of the cuboid is x plus 2. So these are the answers, length and breadth and height. Here given value of cuboid is equal to 12y square plus 8y minus 20. Volume of the cuboid formula, we know that LBH is equal to, in these 3 you take the common, 4 you take common. So 3y square plus 4 2s are 8y minus 4 5s are 20. This is equal to 4 3y square. This one you write down 5y minus 3y. 5 minus 3 is 2 minus 5. So here it is, in these 2 you take common y. This is 3y plus 5. In these 2 you take common minus 1. 3y plus 1. Now 4 into 3, sorry, minus 1 common means here it is 3y, here it is 5. So 3y plus 5, 3y plus 5 again common. Remaining terms are y minus 1. So therefore it is equal to 4 into 3y plus 5 into y minus 1. So these are the 3 dimensions, that is length, breadth and height. So these are the 3 dimensions of the cuboid. So last question, question number 17. Very interesting problem and easy also. Here you see, if 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, then show that a is equal to b. So you take this given value, given 2 into a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square, multiplied 2 into a square 2a square, 2 into b square 2b square is equal to a plus b whole square formula. First identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now all these values take left side, 2a square 2b square minus a square plus a square you take left side minus a square, plus b square you take left side minus b square, plus 2ab you take left side minus 2ab. So all values we are taken left side means here it is 0. 2a square minus a square is a square, 2b square minus b square is b square, minus 2ab is equal to 0. This is the second identity, a plus a minus b whole square formula. X square plus y square minus 2ab is equal to x minus y whole square is equal to 0. Now a minus b is equal to square root, take this side square root 0, it is also 0. So a minus b is equal to 0, then a is minus b you take right side plus b, a is equal to b. This is the answer, proved. So all problems are completed in this exercise.